Welcome friends, Satakshi here. Today we are going to discuss 30 GK questions. Let's start friends.
The leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha 1928 was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Vittalbhai J. Patel, Mahadev Desai. A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the correct answer. What was the Kelkar proposal? Recommendation for reform in the power sector, recommendations for tax reform, guidelines for the privatization, guidelines for reducing vehicular and pollution, and promotion of CNG use. B. Recommendation for tax reform is the correct answer. Life expectancy is highest in the world in Canada, Germany, Japan, Norway. C. Japan is the correct answer. Octopus is an arthropod, an echinoderm, a hemichordate, a mollusk. A mollusk is the correct answer. Imperial Harsa's southward march was stopped in the Narmada River by Pulakeshin I, Pulakeshin II, Vikramaditya I, Vikramaditya II. B. Pulakeshin I, II is the correct answer. Dilip Kaur Tiwana is well known as a literature, musician, scientist, sportsman. A. Literature is the correct answer. Reading the atom of chemical element, the magnetic quantum number refers to A. Orientation, B. Shape, C. Size, D. Spin. D. Spin is the correct answer. Which of the following statement are correct? The common blue-green algae, Spirogyra eleutheryx, are found in both fresh and water and pond and ocean. The chameleon can look ahead with one eye and at the same time look behind with another. B is the correct answer. Under the article of the Indian Constitution, did the President give his assent to the audience on electoral reform when it was sent back to him by the Union Cabinet without making any change? Article 121, Article 122, Article 123, Article 124, Article 123. C is the correct answer. Which among the following countries has the largest population? Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan, Sudan. A. Indonesia is the correct answer. Which of the following constitutional amendments are related to raising the number of members of Lok Sabha to be elected from the states? A. 6th and 22nd, 13th and 38th, 7th and 31st, 11th and 42. C. 7th and 31st is the correct answer. Among the following, which planet takes maximum time for one revolution around the sun? Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Venus. B. Jupiter is the correct answer. Which one of the following language has the largest number of speakers in the world? Bengali, French, Japanese, Portuguese. A. Bengali is the correct answer. With reference to normal human being, consider the following statements. In response to the presence of HCl, secretion is produced from the duodenum. Introgastron is produced in the small intestine in response to the presence of fatty acids. C. Both. D. None of the above. C. Both. A and B is the correct answer. Survey of India is under the Ministry of Defence, Environment and Forest, Home Affairs, Science and Technology. B. Home, Environment and Forest is the correct answer. Which among the following countries was the earliest to give women the right to vote? Iceland, India, New Zealand, USA. C. New Zealand is the correct answer. Sandeep Pandey, the winner of Raman Magsaysay Award, is mainly an activist in prevention of child marriage, promotion of communal harmony, environmental protection, education, livelihood project for Dalits. D. Education and livelihood projects for Dalits is correct answer. Which one of the following schedule of the Indian Constitution the names of states and specifies their territories. First, second, third, fourth. A. First is the correct answer. In the year 2002, the President of India presented the National Award for Excellence in Public Administration and Management Sciences to Kumar Mangalam Birla, N.R. Narayan Murthy, Rahul Bajaj, Ratan Tata. B. N.R. Narayan Murthy is the correct answer. The thermal power plant of Bokaro is located in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha. C. Jharkhand is the correct answer. Among the following commodities imported by India during the year 2002-1, which one was the highest in forms of rupee value? Edible oil, fertilizers, organic and inorganic chemicals, pearls, precious and semi-precious stones. D. Pearls, precious and semi-precious stones is correct answer. Which one of the following statement is not correct? The presence of NaCl increase the rate of setting of plaster of Paris. Gypsum is added to the cement to slow down its rate of setting. All alkaline earth metals form hydrated salts. D. Barium and strontium are found free in nature. D is the correct answer. The 9th schedule or to the Indian Constitution was added by 1st Amendment, 8th Amendment, 9th Amendment, 42nd Amendment. A. First Amendment is the correct answer. Who needed the interim cabinet formed in the 1946? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajagopalachari. Jawaharlal Nehru. B is the correct answer. The waterfall Victoria is associated with the river Amazon River, Missouri River, St. Lawrence, Zambezi. D. Zambezi is the correct answer. Which of the following cell organelle play the most significant role in protein synthesis? Lysosome and centrosome, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria, lysosome and mitochondria. B. Endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome is the correct answer. In which one of the following areas does the state government not have control over its local bodies? Citizen grievances, financial matters, legislation, personal matters. B. Financial matters is the correct answer. Who amongst the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita into English? William Jones, Charles Wilkins, Alexander Cunningham, John Marshall. Charles Wilkins. B is the correct answer. The largest number of Buddhists is found in Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra is the correct answer. Who among the following was the president of All India States People's Conference in 1939? Jayaprakash Narayan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sheikh Abdullah, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer.
Thank you for watching, friends. I hope this video was interesting, and don't forget to subscribe and like. I will catch you in the next video.